Hey 30-minute marketers, in today's quick video I'm going to show you how I solved a problem with Lunapic when I was making a word scramble and word search puzzle. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And today we're focused on creating puzzle books and the puzzles that go inside of them. So let me show you what happened so you understand exactly where I was. So what I had here in Stencil is I had a background, an image of the St. Louis Arch, and then I have a word search and a word scramble combo puzzle for Missouri cities and towns. So you can see here that this is a transparent image with black lettering that has the word search and the hints. So I had to take the transparency of this image down, of the background image, so you could see the black letters. And what I wanted to do was use the full color picture, but have white lettering in the transparent image. So this is where Lunapic came into play. But before we do that, let me show you how I got to this stage. So first, I needed a list of Missouri cities and towns. So the first step was I popped over to the puzzle word list database. There'll be a link in the description and the pinned first comment. You can check out how to join the puzzle word list database and what this is all about. And I scrolled down to US states. Then I went to Missouri, because Missouri is the show me state. So I figured I could show people how this was working. And then I just simply clicked here to download that zip file with the list of cities and towns in Missouri. Of course, when you download that will download the zip file right there. And then once you open up that zip file, there'll be a text file in there. And as you can see, that text file right there includes a nice little handy dandy list of Missouri cities and towns ready to create a word puzzle. So then what I did next was I wanted to create a word scramble. So first you have to unscramble the word and then you find the words in the word search. So after downloading my list from Puzzle Word List database, I popped over to Kidz Puzzle Books. If you're interested in seeing a complete review of this, there's a card up in the right hand corner here. You can check that out. And then I went into output options and I went ahead and selected word scramble. And I had uploaded my list of Missouri cities and towns. So I went ahead and just created a word scramble puzzle at that point. Then I took that list there of scrambles and I just copied the first few. And at this point, I wanted to create a word search. So then I went over to the other tool I use that I know that creates a transparent background. Here you have the ability inside of this application to create a transparent background. So I simply pasted in my cities up here in the words. I added a title, Missouri cities and towns, word scramble and search. Went ahead, generated the search, and as you can see, it generated the search, and then I used the editable hints option, which allowed me to paste in my word scramble. And I just simply downloaded that PNG. And here's where the problem came in. Of course, you see that puzzle was downloaded. If you go ahead and you open that, you can see that that's a transparent background, but the letters are black. So here is where Lunapic came in and saved me and allowed me to create the white letters out of these black letters. So inside of Lunapic, and there'll be a link in the description to everything I talk about to include Lunapic, you go ahead and you just upload a file. So I just go to choose file, and I would grab that puzzle that I downloaded that has the transparent background with the black letters. And as you can see, it populates that image right there. You can see the black letters. And then I simply just go to filters, negative. It processes that image and creates a negative image of that, which the negative of black is going to be white. And then I simply just scrolled down, clicked save. It downloaded that image that will open up here and I'll show you. Now you can see that it is the same puzzle side by side with the other transparent that just happens to be in black, but now it's negative. It negated the black into white. And as you can see now I have two images, a black and a white image that I can use any way that I need to. And again, all I did was go back to Stencil, use the white image with the transparent background against the full color of the St. Louis Arch, use the black one with a modified background of that full color image with a more transparent setting. So now I have two puzzles, one in black letters and one in white letters. That's how I use Lunapic filters to do a negative on the background, on the words from the puzzle that I created here with this tool. as well as the word scramble puzzle that I created in Kidz puzzle book from the list that I got from Puzzle Word List database. And then of course I put it all together with Stencil. And of course all the links to everything I talked about in this video are in the description. So go ahead, be sure to check those out. If you need access to these tools, if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel. Check out the next video here on the end screen for more awesome content just like this. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.